rooster sound, soon it will be done. In the green woods, on a plain field, this bird takes a walk. But what a gorgeous bird! What a gorgeous bird! Yellow-legged, pearly-feathered, it wants me in this world. Wait, oh bird, you wait. You should just hang tight. If Hashem has willed it so, then I will be thine. But when will that be? When will that be? Yevone hamigdash yirtzion temali, only then shall be. But why is it all gone? But why is it all gone? Mipnei chatoteinu galeinu me'atzeinu, that is why it's gone. Hear the rooster sound, soon it will be done.